Chat Doc Review. Is this AI document tool worth using? If you regularly work with long documents and need a faster way to find answers, summaries, or key points, ChatDoc is an AI tool designed to simplify that process. In this review, we'll look at what ChatDoc does, how it performs, and whether it's actually worth using. ChatDoc is an AI-powered document assistant that allows you to upload files such as PDFs, Word documents, and text files, then interact with them using simple questions. Instead of manually reading through dozens of pages, you can ask ChatDoc to summarize sections, explain concepts, extract data, or answer specific questions based on the content of your documents. The setup process is straightforward. You upload a document, wait a short moment for it to process, and then start chatting with it. The interface is clean and easy to understand, even for users who are not particularly tech-savvy. You can ask follow-up questions, request summaries, or focus on specific pages or topics within the document. One of ChatDoc's biggest strengths is time savings. It can quickly summarize long reports, research papers, or manuals, making it especially useful for students, professionals, and researchers. It also works well when dealing with technical or dense material, helping break information down into more manageable explanations. Performance is generally reliable, though results depend on document quality. Cleanly formatted files tend to deliver better responses, while complex layouts or scanned documents may take longer to process or provide less precise answers. Advanced features, such as higher usage limits and enhanced document handling, are typically part of paid plans. While ChatDoc isn't a replacement for deep reading or expert analysis, it works well as a productivity booster. It's best suited for people who frequently need quick insights from documents without reading every page manually. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, ChatDoc stands out for its ability to save time and reduce effort when working with large documents. The simple interface, quick summaries, and support for multiple file types make it especially useful for everyday tasks like studying, research, and professional work. It allows users to get key information quickly, without needing to read entire documents from start to finish. On the downside, the cons mainly relate to limitations rather than major flaws. The free plan is restricted, accuracy can vary depending on document quality, and complex layouts may not always be handled perfectly. Additionally, because it relies on an internet connection, it may not suit users who need offline access or full manual control. In summary, ChatDoc is a practical AI document tool that helps you work smarter, not harder. If you often deal with long or complex documents and want faster access to important information, ChatDoc is definitely worth considering.